sometimes you have a little mishap with your awning. You might have a little tiny tear in it. It could be in the PVC, it could be in the window material, on the acrylic. We actually do two repair types, one for the window and the PVC and one for the acrylic material. They both of them will actually have 3 patches in it of 3 different sizes. Also in the kit is a nylon cord that actually acts like a reinforcement. So if you had, as we hear, a split in some material, you place the nylon cord over the cut or the split, stick the patch on like so here, and it reinforces it and seals up that hole. And it's a fairly clear patch, and it will actually help protect your awning and that hole getting any bigger.